Good afternoon, students. Today we will study Unit 2, Lecture 1. Unit 2 is alcohols, phenols. So we will start with Unit 2, Lecture 1. Alcohols. General formula is ROH, where R is the alkyl group and OH is the alcoholic group. Types of alcohol. So types of alcohol, there are three types of alcohol: monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol and trihydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol. In monohydric alcohol, one OH group is attached to carbon. Example, CH3OH, methanol, or it is also known as methyl alcohol. In dihydric alcohol, two OH groups are attached to two different carbon. Example, ethylene glycol, CH2OH bond CH2OH. This is the example of dihydric alcohol. Next, trihydric alcohol. Three OH groups are attached to three different carbon. Example, glycerol, CH2OH bond CH2OH bond CH2OH. This is a trihydric alcohol. Three OH groups are attached to three different carbon. Next, monohydric alcohol. Aliphatic compound having only one OH is known as monohydric alcohol. Classification of monohydric alcohol. Primary alcohol. It is also known as 1 degree. Example, CH3CH2OH. This is ethyl alcohol. Secondary alcohol, 2 degree. Example, isopropyl alcohol. 2 R are there, OH, H. Tertiary alcohol. This is the third one, tertiary alcohol. 3 degree. Tertiary butyl alcohol. To C3CH3 are attached. Tertiary butyl alcohol. This is tertiary alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. Next, preparation of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol from Grignard reagent. Alcohols can be prepared by using Grignard reagent RMGX. When Grignard reagent reacts with aldehyde and then hydrolysis, it gives primary and secondary alcohol. So first we will see how primary alcohol is formed. Grignard reagent and formaldehyde followed by hydrolysis gives primary alcohol. This Grignard reagent CH3MgX and formaldehyde gives this addition product which on hydrolysis will give ethanol. So this is the from Grignard reagent and formaldehyde reaction we will and then followed by hydrolysis we are getting primary alcohol ethanol. Next, when Grignard reagent reacts with other aldehydes on subsequent hydrolysis gives secondary alcohol. Grignard reagent on reacting with propanol then hydrolysis gives 2-butanol. This is secondary alcohol. CH3MgX and propanol C2H4 C double bond OH. This is so this aldehyde when reacts we will give addition product and then on hydrolysis we are getting 2-butanol. When Grignard reagent reacts with ketone followed by hydrolysis gives tertiary alcohol. Grignard reagent reacts with acetone to give 2-methyl butanol. This is 3 degree means tertiary alcohol. C2H5MgX ethyl magnesium halide on reacts with acetone gives this addition product. This addition product on hydrolysis gives 2-methyl 2-butanol. This is a alcohol, tertiary alcohol. Then alcohol preparation from ester hydrolysis. When esters are hydrolyzed in presence of HCl form alcohol. This method is used for the preparation of higher alcohols. Ester is RCOR. So RCOOR. This is methyl butanoate or it is also known as ethyl methyl ester. This one reaction with HCl gives 1-butanol and methanol. So this is used for this method is used for the preparation of higher alcohols. Alcohols preparation from reduction of aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid and ester. So first we will see reduction of aldehyde gives primary alcohol by using nickel or lithium aluminum hydride to form corresponding alcohol. This is aldehyde general formula. Hydrogenation in the presence of nickel you are getting alcohol. Example, acetaldehyde on reaction with hydrogen nickel you are getting ethanol, primary alcohol. Then reduction of ketone gives secondary alcohol by using lithium aluminum hydride. Acetone in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride nascent hydrogen we are getting 2-propanol. This is a secondary alcohol. Next, reduction of carboxylic acid gives primary alcohol. When carboxylic acid are treated with lithium aluminum hydride, reduction of acid takes place and primary alcohols are obtained. Lithium aluminum hydride is used in ether solvent. Example, acetic acid on reduction in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride gives ethanol. On reduction of esters also produce primary alcohol. Ethyl methyl ester, that is methyl acetate, in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride gives ethyl alcohol and methanol.